Simple Hits is also a really cool one where, if we remember the Gabbar Singh spot, we were looking at the characters of Sholay in this Simpu universe, and Sholay has always been spoofed by 100 different ways, and it's popular culture. What we were doing with this one was doing spoofing characters from contemporary cinema or Bollywood, contemporary at that time. And so it was just fun to see what, if I remember right, there was a Amir Khan's Gajni, there was a Singh is King, there was Himesh Reshammiya. This was the visual landscape in Bollywood at that time, and all of them as Simpu students, again creating a complete riot in his classroom, and him creating order. But the promo was made for a show that would be basically a countdown show of music where Simpu and his students appeared in the lower thirds, and you'd see like kids running and throwing paper rockets and whatnot.
There was a show called in MTV called Cheeto Chat, जिसमें एक चीता था जो कमेंट्स पास करता था, and very witty comments while music videos were played. And at that time, the shows where you got to see Hindi songs, film songs, recent film songs, उसको वो पूरा लूप में चलता था, multiple film songs. So this was a show that played the songs and Simpu would comment on those songs. Making characters out of these Bollywood celebrity was a good fun. कि हिमेश is a चूहा, धूम मचाले में ऋतिक वो भी चूहा है, गजनी जो चूहा है वो मतलब अपना बाइसेप में सब फोन नंबर सब लिख के रखता है, यहाँ पे मैथ्स के इक्वेशन सब लिखे हुए हैं उसने. तो ये सब बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज के सिंप्लिफिकेशन करने में मुझे काफी मजा आया. दूसरी चीज है, इस एपिसोड के जो की फ्रेम्स थे, ओरिजिनल आर्टवर्क्स थे, वो भी है. सो we'll be sharing that, take a look at that, because उसमें आजकल जो एनिमेशन जगत के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लाइट बॉक्स पे जो काम होता था पहले, हम लोग लाइट बॉक्स पे पेपर पे एनिमेट करते थे विद दोस ब्लैक रेनॉल्ड्स मार्कर्स. तो वी आर शेयरिंग ऑल द की फ्रेम्स, कि हर एक की फ्रेम क्या होता था, बाद में उसके बीच में हम लोग इन बिटवीन्स ड्रॉ करते थे. तो वो जो प्रोसेस है आप देख सकते हैं, इसके की फ्रेम्स हैं हमारे पास, और उसकी लेआउट भी है कि अलग लेयर्स में किस तरह से कंपोजिट होता था. So, and how shadows would be drawn on the character and how the shadows would interact with the background. All of those things, all those drawings are there, and we'll be sharing those with you. And I hope you guys enjoyed that.